Hi, I'm Gabrielle Herendine, and welcome to my latest listing, 30035 Avenida Elegante in Rancho Palos Verdes. This lot is nearly 13,000 square feet and boasts panoramic views of the Los Verdes Golf Course, as well as glimpses of the Pacific Ocean and Catalina Island. The home itself is 5 bedrooms plus a bonus room, 4 bathrooms in over 4,400 square feet, and this property is anything but par. Let's have a look inside. So thank you for joining me on this first look of my latest listing. Please reach out today to arrange for your own personal tour.